Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 93. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got the 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and... oh, have we already made a mistake? This 7 is wrong. So we're missing an 8. So that should be an 8, not a 7. All right, so back to this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got the 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. This 4 makes this our 7, 4. And for this column now, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes, so 1, 5, 1, 5, and that means that our 4 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2, 9 here, so 1, 2. That means the only place our 9 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so 2, 3. 3 here, so 2, 7, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 2, 7. And just the 3 here, so 2, 7, 8. That means the only place the 3 can be in that column is here. And now if we look at this box, the only place the 2 can be is here. That 2 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 2, 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 and 7 makes this our 8. And for this row now, we're only missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 2 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.